Welcome to the 8th grade math homework helper series. Tonight's homework is EL2, solving for y. Start by taking a look at number 1. In each case we're going to solve for y in terms of x. The value in front of x should be left as a whole number or a fraction. So we have 5x minus y equals 6. Our goal is to get y on this side by itself and everything else on the other side. We start by copying the problem. First step to getting y by itself is to eliminating the 5x. If we do it on this side, we have to do it on the other. But keep in mind, we can't really subtract 5 from 6 here because of this x. So we're just going to take all of this and keep it over on this side. So we're now left with negative y equals negative 5x plus 6. Now we can get rid of the negative y by dividing by negative 1, and that'll cancel out the negative signs, and if we do it over there, we've got to do it on each side over here. And what that's going to do is that's just going to flip the signs on every single one of these. So we have a positive y equals positive 5x minus 6, and that's where we end. Let's take a look at number 4. We have 2y plus 5 equals 7x. Copy the problem. We want to get rid of the 5's, so we do that. Of course, if we do it on this side, we got to do it on this side. But again, we can't subtract 5 from 7 because of this the variable x. So we bring down what we have. We have 2y equals the 7x and the minus 5. Now we can divide by 2 to get rid of this and leave the y by itself. Of course, if we do it on this side, we've got to do it on the other. Now, y will be by itself, and the 7 over 2x we can't really do anything with, even though it is an improper fraction because of the variable. But the 5 over 2 we can do something with. And 2 goes into 5 how many times? Well, 2 goes into 5 2 times with 1 left over. So that gives us y equals 7 over 2x minus 2.5. Next problem is number 6. We have negative y equals 1/2 x. Copy the problem. We want to eliminate the negative sign from the y. We do that by dividing by 1. Do it on this side, we have to do it on the other. I know this looks a little odd because we have a fraction for a numerator over another fraction. So, but really all this does is it just changes, like it did in the last problem, it changes the signs. So we're going to wind up with positive y and a negative 1/2 x. And the last problem we have is number 10. 2y plus x equals 7. Copy the problem down. In order to isolate the y, we'll start by getting rid of the x's. Have to do it to each side. But again, we can't subtract x from 7. So both of those are going to come down. Negative x and 7. And we have our 2y. Now we can divide by 2 to isolate the y. Again, we've got to do that on both sides over here, which is going to leave us with y equaling negative 1/2 x plus 7 over 2. We can't do anything with the x 1/2, but we can do something with 7 over 2. So y equals negative 1/2 x plus 2 goes into 7 3 times with 1 left over 2. Please use these problems that were done for you tonight to answer the additional problems left in your homework. And remember, the key to success in math is not only working hard, but working smart.